If you've been wondering how to create a split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve without using crop tool, then this video is for you. Stick to the end of the video, we're going to create it under 3 minutes. I am Sudesh. Here's how you can do your preferred split screen effect. First off, make sure you imported your footages which you wish to have in your video. Mine are already in the media folder, and then drag and drop them onto your timeline, like so. Go to Effects Library, click on Effect, and then select Open Effects, and in the search bar type in Video Collage, and then drag it and drop it over to your topmost footage. Then highlight the footage, go to Effects, and you can change the workflow to create a background and tile. To create a background, select Globals. Next, further down in the layout, you can select number of rows, and I'm gonna use just 1, and I'm gonna also use 3 columns since I'm having 3 footages. Further down, you can adjust margin and spacing. What you can basically do with them is you can make changes to your collage frame to a desired view. You can adjust left and right margin, top and bottom. As you can see what changes are happening in the video collage when I'm adjusting different settings here. Horizontal offset, vertical offset, horizontal spacing, and also vertical spacing. Set up your preferred customized setting of the split screen collage that you want to create, and after finishing customizing the shape and the position of your split screen, go ahead and change the workflow to create a tile, and make sure tile number 1 is selected. If it's not, as you can see, our first video is appearing in the collage frame. To create a second collage, you can right click on that video and click on copy, then select your second footage, right click, and then select paste attributes, or you can copy and paste by using shortcut keys. Select the footage that we created, hold Ctrl key and press C, and then select the second footage, hold Alt key and press V. The reason being we clicking hold Alt key since we only want to paste attributes here. Make sure that the video attributes are selected, and then you can click on apply. Once you've done that, you can highlight the second footage that you have, go to Effects, select the tiles, and then you can select the second tile here. Now this second video footage is going to appear in the video collage frame. And you can do the same with the third one. You can copy and paste the attributes that you have just copied from the first one, and then click apply. Then highlight it, go to Effects, again select tiles, and this time select tile number 3. If you want to adjust the position of any clip, you can do that by going to Global and readjust the position of your desired clip. Let's say you want one of them to be somewhere at the bottom, the other on top, the last one at the bottom as well. If you feel like something off your footage, you can highlight the video, go in the Inspector Video panel, and you can switch up the position of X and Y to your desired way. And also, if you want to center your video footage, you can do that with all the clips that you are having. Fantastic. This is the final result one. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn the notification bell icon on so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Happy editing.